Okay, I'm getting ready to reassemble my Daisy Red Ryder, model number 94, made in Plymouth, Michigan. And today I'm supposed to receive replacement for this. I'd already ordered seals, but I didn't know that that this was broken. So I went ahead and ordered this whole assembly from Cobalt 327, and it's supposed to arrive today, shortly. So I've cleaned the inside. I've cleaned the compression chamber. Used with a few patches. I've used shop cloth. I've used regular gun patches, and I've used some scrap of flannel. I've used oil. Shot tube is in really good shape. I've wiped it off and cleaned it. So looks like we're ready to go with the shot tube. I've cleaned the trigger up a little bit. I will disassemble this with my caulking gun later, because I've got to do that to put the new shot tube in, and I'll give this another wipe down. So this looks really good to me. For 1957 vintage, it looks really good. I've got a caulking gun. I'll use that to compress the spring. In order to do that, I need something to hold the spring. So I'll cut one of these washers, and it'll slide right down over the plunger. And I will then be able to compress the spring. So let's go see if I can do the cutting. I'll be back shortly. Okay, I'm back. I've cut a section of the washer. This will fit over the spring. Let's get it in the gun. Okay. And with one pull, the pin just came out. So that was easy as pie. Okay. So with that simple gadget, we're able to compress the spring and pull the pin out. It looks like the spring is in good condition. I don't see any rust whatsoever. Yep. Yeah, to me it looks pretty good. Okay, we're ready for the parts to arrive. I now have my new air tube and seals, which I've been waiting for. Okay. The tool leaves a little bit to be desired. I got it back in. All right, cock like usual. I guess the only thing left to do now is to put a couple of BBs in it, see if she works. Okay, it is fixed. First shot. Well, that has to be a success with my Red Ryder Model 94 carbine. Replaced the seals yesterday, went out this morning in the snow. There's a can about at least 35 feet from my deck. I hit it on the first shot, and then I missed, and then I hit it, and I hit it, and I hit it. I don't think it hits as hard as my brand new Model 25, but it's as good as it ever was, if not better.